As a student, these are high-end skills that require little to no capital and are easy accessible. Coming at number 5, this is social media management. With the increase in social media and online presence, students can offer social media managerial services to both business and individual. This includes content creating, scheduling of posts, checking for analytical tracking. Coming at number 4 is freelance writing. Writing article, blog posts, website content, or copywriting for businesses and publications can be a lucrative side hustle for a student with strong writing skills. Never to say that you don't even need strong writing skills to learn to start writing. Number 3 is online tutoring. Students can leverage their expertise in various subjects to offer online tutoring to their peers or younger students. This can include academic subjects, test preparation, or language learning, and many more. And number 2 is graphic design. Students with graphic design skills can offer graphic design services such as logo creation, branding, social media graphics, and even web designs to businesses and enterprises. Before we get into the last cue for today, I'd like to introduce myself. I am Coach Sherry. I make talking head videos on personal growth, personal finances, mindset development, lifestyle hacks, and if this is your thing, let's share it in. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, comment down below what video you want me to make on, and let's get to know each other. Now, coming at number 1. Dun, 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 dun. This is selling a digital product, your digital product. Now, I'm going to go a little bit of explanation on this, unlike the others I just brief over. Although, if you don't want me to make a broader video on this, I could and I would. So, you guys be on the look. Selling a digital product involves offering intangible goods or services that are delivered electronically. Typically, this could be through a digital download or an online access. So basically, digital products could be an ebook, music, templates, and you post them on all these e-commerce platforms like Canvas and on the like. Then people go there, download it, and you get paid for that. There's going to be a link here to watch a full explanatory video on selling a digital product. If you like this video, make sure you comment that. Please, I need you guys to drop a comment. Make me feel like I'm doing something. Bye.